Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Burst. I am Priyank Parekh. In today's video, I am going to show you my new PCF control, the hyperlink button. This is very simple but useful control. Instead of showing long, messy URLs in Dynamics 365, it lets you replace them with a clean button that your user can click. Let's explain why this control exists, when to use it, and of course how to install and configure it. In Dynamics 365 Sales, Customer Service, or any other model-driven app, we often use URL field to store links. If the URL is short, it looks fine, but many times these URLs are generated by integration or backend logic, which means they are full of encoding, query strings, and random values. This result an ugly, unreadable link that doesn't inspire confidence to click. One of the example is SharePoint URL or any company website URL. So the idea here is instead of showing those messy links, why not display a button with a clear label? The button hides a sensitive or non-readable URL and give the user a much better experience. Let's see how it looks without such button with a simple URL field. I am into model driven app, and in this model driven app I have an account entity which is a standard entity. And in this account entity, we have one standard field called website which has a URL. Now you will see this URL has lot of different parameters, query strings and all, which may not be helpful for the user. So in to replace this, we have this PCF control. This PCF control is useful for such scenarios only when there are these URLs are updated by some automation, some integration, or some complex logic. Okay. Now, to get this solution or to get this PCF control into your environment, here are very quick few steps. First is go to the GitHub or search in Google Contrail hyperlink button. Once you get this, you will navigate to this page, which is the repository of Contrail where you will see one of the PCF control hyperlink button. Here on the right hand side, you will see a package, a release package or release solution for hyperlink button. Just click on this and it will give an option to download this managed solution. Once you click on this managed solution, it will download the zip file and you will have the solution available for you to install. The next step is go to make.powerapps.com or the maker portal of our Power App pages or Power Apps, and here you can start installing the solution. You can just click, you can navigate to solution, click on import solution, and then select browse it and select the solution file. Once you select this solution and try to import it, the solution will show that what are the different properties it's managed and its publisher is Contrail. Once you import the solution, you will see that solutions in the managed list. For me, I have installed this solution already, so it's visible in my managed list here. Now the next step is to apply this PCF control in one of our field. So for that, what I'm doing, you can choose to use any unmanaged solution or create new. I have created a new solution called replace link with button. And in this, I have added an entity called account. And in this account, I have one form, account form. Okay. And here I will just add that PCF control. Once you can see once the form is open, you will see the website field here. This field is a field which was by default standard by Microsoft. Now we need to replace this website field with a URL button or the hyperlink button which we just installed. For that, you just select the field and on right hand side you will see a property tab. Here you click on the component and you will see a hyperlink button component here. In case you don't see here, right, you can just click on get more components and then by others you will see that here by control. You can select this control and you have two properties to bind for this control. One is the display name which you want on the button and second is the description of this button. For display name, I will select existing control value which is account name. And for description, I will put a hard-coded value, click to navigate to customer website. I will just say navigate to customer website and say done. Once this is done, you will notice there is a button, a grayed out button which is available here. The reason why it is grayed out because there is no data. The control is built in such a way that if there is no URL, it will disable or gray out this button so that user can know that okay there is no URL and this is disabled. Now the another step we would take is hide this label, and just for hiding you just click on hide this label and then just save and publish. Once you save and publish, you can go to the account form and refresh it. Once you refresh this form, you will see a button similar to this. Now the best part over here is this button has replaced your whole big URL as well as a click and the website and everything. So you just click on this and then it will navigate to your proper website. So that's all about this PCF control. I hope you like it. In case you have any feedback, feel free to comment and I will attend that feedback very soon. Thank you. See you in my next project.